to watch another amazing video that I have for you. So today, we're gonna get inspired by another version of the very coveted pink and orange wig right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as a little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, like I mentioned, this wig is another version of the very first Amazon wig that I ever got. And literally, this was a pinnacle moment in my wig life as it completely changed me. So I had initially done this pink orange wig right here from Charisma, and it was great. Like I said, it changed my entire life. So EL Beauty, which I've done a wig review for them right here, they asked if I could do their version of the pink and orange wig. So of course I said yes. So let's just get talking about this version of the pink and orange wig right here. So it is 24 inches, which is the same. And then of course, something that I absolutely love with wigs is that it actually has multi-dimensional color strands. So it has some pink, some orange, and just some like different variations. So every strand is a different color. So it does have some very long layers right here. I'm really excited to brush this girl out. So she has some very long layers and it isn't as curly as the Charisma wig. Right, have some face framing layers right up here as well. So let's just talk about the wig construction right here. So she does have light lace, which is amazing. She does have your standard 2.5 inch parting right here, which is pretty average for your Amazon wig. She has 2 combs right here in the side, and then she has 1 comb right here in the middle. She does have a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. So let's just put this girl on. So she does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and rock her out. But I'll be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. For this nude wig cap. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. And yes, here she is. Absolutely love it. I truly feel that this pink-orange wig combination color is the most universal wig color there is in the entire world. I absolutely love it. All right, so let's take a look at the front and the lace really quickly. So clearly this is like a complete dream for me with the light lace and it having no roots. So this really just truly blends into my skin. And I really feel like the plucking is really great, again, since I have no roots or whatnot. So this is really great. This could really look like beyond natural. All right, so now let's cut off the lace and see what she's really all about. And wow, there she is. I mean, it just looks so good, flawlessly on there without even gluing her on. All right, so now let's just lightly brush her out with my wig brush. So here she is after brushing her out, really great. She did have very light to, minimal shedding right here. She's a very long wig, so she will shed, of course. I really enjoy this style as it isn't overwhelming with the amount of curls. So it actually looks like almost pretty natural if this was your real hair, like how it would lay in kind of a natural style right here. All right, so now let's play with the parting. As you know, I love to do and see if she gives a different look. So let's shift her to my left eyebrow, which is my good eyebrow. See if she gives a different look. And she is. Oh yes, look at this. So this is definitely a look that I absolutely love. This is kind of a vintagey with this beautiful pop of this little poppy curl right here. Yes, love this. This is very easy and I will definitely do this. All right, so let's switch it to the other side to see if she gives the same look on the right eyebrow. And she doesn't. This is definitely a more flat look on this side so far. Now she is heat safe, so if you did want to modify her to kind of emulate that pop-up, by all means you probably just need to curl this piece a little bit more. But yeah, this is definitely a look right here for you to do. Let's put her down the middle again. So this wig, of course, is from EL Beauty, also known as Eternal Love Beauty. Definitely check this wig out from them, and of course, definitely check out the other wig that I did for them as well. So I want to know if you have this wig or if you have another pink orange wig. I seriously would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig, and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in a pink orange wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we